Good evening guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty on Friday has given a negative closing of 65 points and Bank Nifty closed with 121 points negative. So let's check the big players position for this last week of the month, June month and expiry. We'll follow by FII. In future index, they were having a 57% long and 43% short. So today there is no changes. Same position they are carry forwarding 57% long and 43% short. And in option index, in call they were having a buying position of call 2.67 lakh contract. So today they have unwinded call 74,000 contracts. So still holding 1.93 lakhs of call buying positions. In put they were having 1.81 lakhs of put buying. So they have unwinded 7,000 contracts. So they have 1.73 lakhs of put buying contract. So here they have still carry forwarding hedging positions of call and put and same equal number of position in future index. In cash market, they have sold for 1,790 crores in the cash market. So they have lighted their positions in options for this month. Client are the retailers in future index. They were having 46% long, 54% short position. Now here also they have no changes. 46% long and 54% short they have. Option index in call they were having 4.12 lakhs of call shorting positions, call writing positions. Now they have unwinded 1.48 lakh contracts, so still holding 2.64 lakhs of call writing positions. In put they were having 2.57 lakhs of put writing contract. They have increased their put writing by 2.17 lakh contracts, so they have 4.75 lakhs of put writing. Client become bullish in option writing while doing put writing now. Here they have neutral positions in future index and in cash market they have sold for 1,200 crores. Proprietor in future index they were having 60% long, 40% short. Now they have reduced their longs, increased the short by 2%, so they have 58% long, 42% short. Option index they were having a call buying of 1.42 lakh contract. Now they have unwinded 74,000 contracts, so still having 68,000 contract in call buying. And in put they were having 1.11 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded this most of the contract in profit and made fresh put buying of 1.14 lakh contract. In cash market, proprietor have purchased for 894 crores. So everyone has lightened their positions now. As per the data, the market seems to be sideways only for the coming week. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty for this month end expiry. A huge call writing we can see at 24,000 and put writing unwinding we have seen on Friday that was around 23,600 and also few of the contracts in put writing has been unwinded from 23,500. So range for this week will be 23,500 to 23,400. But mostly it has to consolidate between this range only 23,400 to 23,600. Now let's check for Bank Nifty. The monthly expiry will be 26. Here also we have seen 51,800. Put writing has been unwinded. Major call writing has been done at 52,000 only. We don't see good put writing at 52,000. So range will be from 51,500 to 52,000. So let's check the technical analysis. Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has given a negative closing only, but it was beyond our support zone. Support is around 23,300. So this week also it seems like it will be in this range only 23,300 to 23,600 range. Now let's check the technicals of Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame. It has given a negative candle on Friday, but we have a very good support. It has not broken the support in 1 day candle. So the range will be 51,600 to 52,000 range is open now. So market still seems to be trading in this range only for the coming week. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Happy weekend. Bye.